AkBKukU here with Draga1, and I've been working on a little secret for the next time we do the Windows 98 streams. Now, he has no idea what's in this box, do you?
I really don't, and it's very frustrating. He's been talking about it for like 6 months.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what it could possibly be at this point. I've just no idea.
This is a game that you have mentioned to me before that we have not streamed.
I've mentioned it.
You have mentioned it.
Did I say that I had it already? Just because I hope it's not something I already have or something.
Oh, it is something you have, but we haven't streamed it. And
okay.
This will be fun. Croc 2 and Croc 1. Now, one of the problems with this game, if I remember correctly, is that it gets hard and difficult to figure out what you're supposed to do, right?
Right.
We have the Prima guides for both games, so we can make sure we get through each one.
You gotta be shitting me. This isn't the sort of surprise
So, you're going to play Croc 2.
Because I love that game so fucking much.
And I'm going to play Croc 1.
How far do you think we'll get through this?
I don't know, but we're gonna play until we can no longer stand it.
Well, what if I already can't stand it?
That's tough, you gotta at least start.
This, I was not expecting. God damn it. Jeez. Well, at least I have the Prime guide. But I think the problem was the game was like too hard or something. I don't know. But, oh, wow.
Yep.
I don't believe this exists. I didn't think this would have been a game that was too, like, bargain bin kind of.
I just have to say, Croc 1 has some of my most favorite box art ever. Croc is glossy print, and the box art, the background is matte.
Oh, mine's not like that. It's
No.
all gloss on this.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
So,
let me see this. I've never played Croc 1.
oh, you want to play Croc 1 instead?
Well,
Let's go for it.
Well, at least I stand a chance more with Croc 2 because I have a little bit of experience there. So you probably will want to stick with Croc. This is my old nemesis right here. So I need to finally show it who's boss. You know. So.
Oh, it turns out this is sealed, so I have to open it.
Oh, it's actually sealed.
Yeah, this is sealed.
See, mine's not sealed.
I didn't know
yet.
that.
Oh my god.
Let me go ahead.
Let's go ahead and unseal it.
Let's unseal a fresh copy of Croc 1 here. Find out what's inside, because I have... No, it is literally... What? There's a floppy... Oh, it's America Online. Of course.
Let me see it.
Everything has AOL in it. Okay.
It's sealed. AOL disc.
And then we have the most interesting box insert I've ever seen for a PC game.
Or all the ones you get are just destroyed.
And then a digipack that holds the actual CD in. So, also
like paper and plastic.
Also shrink wrapped.
Oh my god. What the?
You have no idea how long it took me to get Croc 2 in the box. Wow. That is not a common game to get boxed.
I didn't even get it boxed. That's the thing. I think it was one of those.
That was imported from England. It doesn't have a USA rating on it.
Well, I thought that's what that is.
Oh, it does. Oh,
Yes,
I still imported it from England.
Okay. Well,
so
yours is kids to adults. Mine is
yes.
E for everyone.
Yes.
So I guess
Croc 2 is more risque.
Is it? It's everyone. Yours is just kids, adults. Seniors don't know. This is definitely your senior game here, or potentially infants, like myself. So I'll just say.
Oh wait,
perfect.
No, I didn't import that from England. That's right. There was someone in England who wanted $56 for it, and I refused to pay it. And then this one came up. That's
okay.
right.
So,
but yep. Croc 1 for Windows 95, I guess. We're gonna play it on 98.
Well, yeah, this is as America Online as you can get. It says copyright 1997 on this, right here, version 3.0. Wow, so easy to use. No wonder it's #1. Well, that's just. Let me look what's in here. Oh, I actually get a jewel case. So I think when I first got Croc 2, I got it from like a book fair thing.
Most likely, Scholastic release.
Or something like that. And I think I remember only getting this because I do not remember having a huge box of this. And I don't think I have a full jewel case of this. I don't remember this purple dinosaur in the back. So okay, there's racing elements as well. Boat racing, car racing. Don't know if that's in the first game. Is there anything else in here? You got a manual in there, or is it just the
There's a
jewel case?
manual in the digipack here.
Looking at the manual, we have the Prima Guide.
Manual, monochrome. Who wants color?
Is my manual monochrome? Probably should be. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to start with this game then?
Yep, this is the game we're starting with.
Perfect. I probably already have it installed.
You do.
I do?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh my god. So I'm just putting the game in.
Yep.
Alright. Okay, well,
All right.
we're actually hooked up right now
Yes.
to immediately start the Windows 98 LAN party stream.
Yes.
Even though this is not a LAN game, but we're going to play it simultaneously.
This is going to be the first one.
So I think it's a good way to kick it off.
Yep.
And we'll go ahead and get started. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you on the stream.